Hi guys, so you all that receive flowers and all of that, how do you maintain your fresh flowers? Like about then the petals are beginning to wilt. I'm like, no, I don't know how to maintain this thing. I need to retain the scent. So I said what best to do than to make it into a oil. They smell so nice. I don't want the smell to go away. So we are just going to make rose oil that can be used to scent any of your projects. It can be used for soaps, it can be used for cosmetics, it can be used for perfumes. So yes, let's retain the scent. This is a very simple and straightforward video. So this method can be used for any flowers whatsoever. It can be used for any flowers, any fresh flower or vegetables if you like the smell of vegetable, or even sand if you like the smell of earth. So anyway, let's go back to the rose flower. What I'm just going to do is that I'm going to wash them just to make sure that I really don't have water in them. Not like water is going to spoil them or anything, because I'm going to be infusing them in alcohol, so it's not going to spoil it. But you can use it for any project, so I don't want there to be too much water inside it. So what I'm doing is just to wash it. After washing the petals, I'm going to try to dry off the water on it as much as possible. So after doing that, I'm just going to cut them into pieces, because like larger surface area, and so that they infuse faster. And after cutting them, I'm going to transfer it into a plastic container that has cover, and I'll pour alcohol or ethanol. Here I'm using ethanol, so I'm going to pour ethanol inside it and leave it for 48 hours. So after 2 days, I'm going to bring it out and sieve out the rose flower from inside the mixture. If I've seen that the color has changed already, it's well infused, and then I will just sieve it out and then keep it. Like, keep it for anything I want to do. It smells so divine. It smells so good, yeah. And of course the earth benefit and everything. This is a very fast thing, just very fast. Wash your flower, cut it into pieces, pour your alcohol, leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. That's all. That's all about it. Make sure you watch to the end to see how it looks like after 2 days. And tell me if you are going to be trying this. Bye. Take care.